A day in the life of 21-year-old lady with 3 kids. Let's prepare this for my kid today. This is what I have to prepare for my kids today. They asked for it and I don't want to disappoint. Guess what? Groundnut oil don't finish for us, so I got to use what I have, which is palm oil. As for mommy, I don't like rice cooking with palm oil. It tastes, when it get cold, it has this kind of taste that it gives, but when it's hot, that's when you enjoy it. So I just felt like, okay, let me just prepare this and let's see the outcome together. This is the process of me preparing the food. Let's watch. Come on, sit down. Akọlù kìíní yẹn o, tó rẹ́sẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ o. Ó yá pa. Ẹ ò dẹ̀ lọ gbé chíchá ò sí ń tan bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Now that's all the food needs to get done. I've put salt, I've put everything. But you see, when you stir fry rice, it gives this taste. When you stir fry your rice before you pour water and everything get cooked, it actually gives some nice taste than not stir frying it before you put water. So since I discovered that, I always stir fry my rice before I pour water in it. Glory be to God. These are my treasures. So they are ready for lesson. Since they vacate, we pack our stuff inside the store, cook there. That's where we cook, and that's where they eat, so they won't mess up the inside. Now that our rice is ready, I need to serve the kids so they can eat and leave to the lesson. Yeah, Kali, take care. What are you supposed to say? Welcome. Welcome. Like I said earlier, I don't really like rice cooked with palm oil. It gives me this kind of taste. I was unable to eat it, but my kids ate it and take more. They'll be eating the remaining one when they come back in the afternoon. And that's how we ate breakfast this morning. Guys, thanks for watching. Bye and subscribe.